Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, Chidimma Adetshina has decided to pull out of the Miss South Africa Pageant because now they know the truth about her. So they know the truth, as you guys know by now, that her mom is going to be arrested. It's just that they're still doing investigations and all that, but allegedly her mom stole someone else's identity just so she can register her child at Home Affairs. So that's the issue right now. So there were celebrities who were backing her up in this matter. They were with her all the way, but now that the truth is out, people are quiet. So far the only person who has apologized is DJ Sbu. DJ Sbu apologized that he was taking her side because Naye, he didn't know the truth. We all didn't know the truth, guys. A lot of people were just speculating, but now that we know the truth straight from Home Affairs, guys, we can be able to judge the situation. So Home Affairs released a statement, guys, and we are still waiting for Chidimma's mother to come and say something, because at this point now we are just waiting for her to come and verify the facts that were discovered by Home Affairs. We don't know her, we don't know her face, and also I think Nabo, they don't know her because they mentioned in the statement that the consent that they received from the mother is written consent, so they have never seen her, and we have also never seen the mother, just to confirm a few things, guys, that she is indeed South African. So now there are celebrities who are just people are just like, because so far the celebrity that was attacked in this whole thing is Lerato Kganyago. She even deactivated her Twitter account because people were coming for her. So I don't know about the other celebrities. Are they going to come for them also, or the hate was just based on Lerato Kganyago? So now Chidimma Adetshina posted on her Instagram not so long ago that she is withdrawing from the pageant, guys. This is the statement that she posted on her Instagram stories. So the statement has a date on top. It's 8 August 2024. She posted, "I would like to start off by thanking everyone who has stood beside me right from the start of my Miss South Africa journey. I'm really grateful for all the love and support I have been shown. Being part of the Miss South Africa 2024 competition has been an amazing journey. However, after much careful consideration, I have made the difficult decision to withdraw myself from the competition for the safety and well-being of my family and I. With the support of the Miss South Africa organization, I live with a heart full of gratitude for this amazing experience. I would like to take this opportunity to wish my fellow finalists all the best for the remainder of the competition. Whoever wears the crown represents us all." Then she wrote her name, Chidimma Vanessa Onwe Adetshina. Now guys, I think Velena, she saw, you know what, I'm going to get disqualified here. The truth is out, so I might as well just leave on my own accord, So I hope that they are not going to stop doing the investigations just because she is out of the competition. They need to continue to do those investigations so that we can just get to the bottom of this whole matter. We need to know the truth. We deserve to know the truth, guys. So I'm just hoping they continue and then we find the truth and then they close this whole thing. So I don't know, Gucci Shem, she must be feeling so devastated, but it is what it is, and also for the safety of her family, just as she mentioned, I think it's just best that she pulls out of the competition. But irregardless of that, guys, she was going to get disqualified, she was going to get qualified. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one.